Hello friends, how are you? You must be fit and fine as all of you are following the guidelines given by the government. Staying home, staying safe. But I know all of you are bored at home and very eager to come to the college and attend the lectures. Like you, we are also very eager and waiting for you to come into the college and attend our lectures. But our government and our doctors and scientists are also fighting with this calamity. They are trying to find out vaccine and we hope that it will come soon and we will gather in our college. की तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की गेले 2-3 महिने झाले आपण ऑनलाईन शिकतोय आणि तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना आता इच्छा आहे की आता ऑनलाईन पास करा आणि कॉलेजमध्ये येऊन आम्हाला लेक्चर्स अटेंड करायचे. पण तुमच्यासारखं आम्ही वाट बघतोय की कधी एकदा हे कोरोनाचं संकट संपतंय आणि तुम्ही आमच्या समोर येत आहे. बट मीनवाइल we have to continue with our online study because as you all know that learning cannot stop. शिक्षण आपल्याला थांबवता येणार नाही. When the calamity is over we will meet again. But now in English you have studied 2 to 3 prose chapters, then 3 poems. In writing skill you have already studied 3 chapters. And now I am starting with our unit number 4, that is novel. Previously you have studied history of novel 4.1 and in that you have studied how the novel was formed and how novel can help us to enrich our life. की पाठीमागे तुम्ही नॉव्हेल ह्या चॅप्टर मध्ये शिकलेला आहे की हिस्ट्री ऑफ नॉव्हेल, की पूर्ण नॉव्हेलचा इतिहास, नॉव्हेल कशी फॉर्म मध्ये आली, ती का लिहिली जाते, काय असतं त्यामध्ये. ठीक आहे. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ 4.2. द नेम इज टू सर्व विथ लव and it is written by E.R. Brathwaite. Now from this name you will come to know that this man is not from India. E.R. Brathwaite, and the name of the novel is To Serve with Love. Okay? Now in the beginning we'll see about the author. We are on page number 178. I hope your textbook is in front of you. Your textbook must be in front of you. Remember this thing please. प्रत्येकासमोर मला त्यांचं टेक्स्टबुक पाहिजे. We are on page number 178. Estes Edward Ricardo Brathwaite from 1912 to 2016. In the right corner you can see a picture of this person, and from the picture you will come to know that this person belongs to black community. कृष्णवर्णीय, काळ्या रंगाची व्यक्ती आहे. Now you will wonder, आता तुम्हाला आश्चर्य वाटेल की सर आपल्याला कलर बद्दल का सांगतायत. Why I am discussing about the color? Because this novel is related with color discrimination. Color discrimination म्हणजे वर्णभेद. लक्षात येते? Black versus white, काळा गोरा भेद. In India we have caste systems. आपल्याकडे भारतामध्ये जाती भेद आहेत किंवा जात आहेत. तशा फॉरेन कंट्रीज मध्ये काय होतं? वर्णभेद, color discrimination, black white. So this person belongs to black community. Estes Edward Ricardo Brathwaite, 1912 to 2016. First point, Guyanese born British American novelist. Now Guyana is a part of Southern America. Very poorest part. अमेरिकेमधला हा एक गरीब प्रांत आहे गयाना. तिथे यांचा जन्म झालेला आहे. In a black family. Guyanese born British American. He was born in America, but he is called as British American novelist. And a British American novelist का म्हणतात because he has worked for British also, British government. इंग्लंड मध्ये सुद्धा त्यांनी काम केलेले म्हणून ब्रिटिश अमेरिकन नॉव्हेलिस्ट. बघा काय नॉव्हेलिस्ट, कादंबरीकार, रायटर, teacher and diplomat. He was also a diplomat. Well known for his stories of social conditions. बघा मी आताच तुम्हाला सांगितले की सामाजिक घटक, social condition and racial discrimination. रेस म्हणजे वंश, discrimination म्हणजे difference, भेद. Racial discrimination against black people. Now we have discussed. He was working for the rights of black people. So well known for its stories of social conditions, सामाजिक घटक, समाजामधले होणारे अन्याय, and racial discrimination against black people. ह्यासाठी त्यांनी लिहिलेल्या ज्या स्टोरीज आहेत. Braithwaite's writing deal with his own difficulties like. आता now what he has written is not imaginary. त्यांनी बऱ्यापैकी जे लिखाण केले it is not imaginary, it is from his real experience. त्यांच्या स्वतःच्या अनुभवातून आलेले आहे ते. काय बघा, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, an educated black man. He was educated person but he belongs to a black community. Educated black man. Black social worker. He was a social worker working for the rights of the black people. की जे कृष्णवर्णीय लोक आहेत त्यांना त्यांचा सामाजिक हक्क मिळावा यासाठी ते काम करत होते, म्हणून ब्लॅक सोशल वर्कर. He was a black teacher. Why it is called as, he was a teacher, but why it is called as black teacher? Because in those days the people were making the difference between white and black. त्या काळात कृष्णवर्णीय लोकांना चांगली वागणूक दिली जात नव्हती. So he was a black teacher and a human being in inhuman circumstances. This is very beautiful. A human being, तो एक माणूसच आहे सर्वांसारखा, but working in inhuman circumstances. Inhuman म्हणजे अमानवीय, not suitable for human beings. Circumstance means situation, परिस्थिती. A human being working in inhuman circumstances, and he is writing about those circumstances. His other novels, A Kind of Homecoming, A Choice of Straws, and Reluctant Neighbors. याच्यावरून पण लक्ष दे बघा. Reluctant means unwilling, इच्छा नसताना. Reluctant. Neighbors म्हणजे you know the meaning of neighbors, शेजारी. Unwilling neighbors, reluctant neighbors. So this is about Braithwaite, about the author. Okay, you might understood. First of all, this person belongs to black community, an educated black man, black social worker, black teacher, a human being in inhuman circumstances. And his three novels are A Kind of Homecoming, Choice of Straws, Reluctant Neighbors. Now we'll see about this novel, about the novel To Serve with Love. First of all, this is an autobiographical novel published in 1959. Now what is the meaning of autobiographical? Autobiographical means a person writes about his own life. It is called as autobiographical. In Marathi we call it as आत्मचरित्र. Autobiographical means काय? आत्मचरित्र. Autobiographical novel, इथंच लक्षात येते तुम्हाला. This novel is related with E.R. Braithwaite's own life. त्यांच्या स्वतःच्या आयुष्याविषयी लिहिलेली नॉवेल आहे. Published in 1959. कधी पब्लिश झाली? 1959. I want to tell you, and this was filmed in 1967. की याच नॉवेल वरती एक फिल्म बनवली गेली in 1967. If you wish, you can see that movie or you can watch that movie on YouTube also. In 1967, the movie was filmed in 1967. Actually, novel was published in 1959. Next point is first person narration. What is first person narration? Now in novels, you might have studied in 4.1 की नॉवेल मध्ये नॅरेशन असतं. नॅरेशनचा अर्थ आहे कथन करणे. फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स द रायटर इज नॅरेटिंग हिमसेल्फ. जो लेखक असतो तो स्वतःच आपल्याला जर स्टोरी सांगत असेल तर इट इज कॉल्ड एज फर्स्ट पर्सन नॅरेशन. अँड इफ द स्टोरी इज टोल्ड बाय अनदर कॅरेक्टर इट इज कॉल्ड एज थर्ड पर्सन नॅरेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज फर्स्ट पर्सन नॅरेशन. ही त्यांनी स्वतः सांगितलेली स्वतःची स्टोरी पण फर्स्ट पर्सन नॅरेशन. नाउ व्हॉट इज इन द नॉवेल? आता नॉवेल मध्ये काय काय बघा. द नॅरेटर अँड इंजिनियर. द नॅरेटर मीन्स E.R. Braithwaite. He was an engineer, but as you all know, he was a black engineer. Educated person, शिक्षित होता पण कसा होता? Black person, engineer. Engineer's degree was there. But due to economical conditions, as I have told you, he was born in Guyana. जन्म कुठे झालेला होता? गयाना मध्ये. Poorest part in Southern America. अमेरिका मधला तो गरीब भाग आहे. So due to economical conditions, accept a job of a teacher, and because of his black color, he was not able to get a job. Wherever he goes for a job, By looking at him, people told him that the job is already filled. We don't need any candidate. So please go. So he was not accepted. But due to economical condition, accept the job of a teacher. So in those days, he was not able to get a job of an engineer. So he accepted the job of a teacher in east end of London, where he accepted the job in east end of London. Now, how is the school? The school is full of troublesome students rejected from other schools. Now, how was the school? The school is full of troublesome students. That was a very blacklisted school. It was full of troublesome students. The students were very naughty and troublesome, rejected from other schools. आणि हे जे सगळे स्टुडंट्स होते ते बाकीच्या स्कूल मधून काढून टाकलेले होते. रिजेक्ट म्हणजे नाकारणे, हाकलून देणे फॉर देअर बिहेवियर. त्यांच्या वागणुकीमुळे त्यांना काय केलेलं होतं, काढून टाकलेलं होतं आणि ते सगळे या स्कूलमध्ये आलेले होते. सो दे वर रिजेक्टेड फ्रॉम अदर स्कूल अँड द स्कूल्स नेम इज ग्रीनस्लेड स्कूल. लक्षात ठेवा, स्कूलचं नाव काय आहे, ग्रीनस्लेड स्कूल इन ईस्ट एंड ऑफ लंडन. अँड ही वॉज appointed as a teacher there, but how were the students? They were troublesome, rejected from other schools, and he was already a black person at the beginning. So when he started teaching, he was ridiculed and bullied by the students. He was ridiculed. Students were not listening to him. They were not giving respect to him. त्याला आदर देत नव्हते. bullied चा अर्थ आहे की to dominate the other person. bullied म्हणजे काय, to dominate the other person. So at the beginning he was ridiculed and bullied by the students. But later, बघा, as the story or as the novel goes forward, पण जसजशी नॉवेल आपली पुढे जाईल तसं लक्षात आलं की he was accepted by the students. He studied the psychology of the students. त्यांनी काय केलं, मुलांच्या सायकोलॉजीचा अभ्यास केला. How these students should be treated. या मुलांना कसं वागवलं पाहिजे, because these students were not from educational background. ही मुलं एज्युकेशनल शैक्षणिक बॅकग्राऊंडची नव्हती आणि त्याला लक्षात आलं की दे नीड डिफरंट ॲटिट्यूड, दे नीड लव्ह अँड दे नीड न्यू आयडियाज. त्यांना आपण प्रेमाने आणि नवीन नवीन कल्पनांनी शिकवलं पाहिजे. बट लेटर ऍक्सेप्टेड बाय द स्टुडंट्स बिकॉज ऑफ हिज काम अँड क्वाइट नेचर. E.R. ब्रॅथवेटचा नेचर, स्वभाव कसा होता, काम, शांत अँड क्वाइट अँड रिअल केअर फॉर हिज स्टुडंट्स अँड स्टुडंट्स अंडरस्टँड. मुलांच्या लक्षात आलं की या सर्वांना आपल्याबद्दल खरीच काळजी देत. ही केअर्स रिअली फॉर अस. So later accepted by the students. In the end, earns the respect of the students, and in the end or at the end of the novel, you will see that he earns the respect of the students. Students respected him, and he earns the respect. Now, as you all know, while studying any novel, आता थोडक्यात तुम्हाला ह्या नॉवेलचं बॅकग्राऊंड लक्षात आलं. This novel is written by E.R. Braithwaite, American British novelist. Okay, he belongs to black community. In those days there was color discrimination. वर्णभेद होता, black versus white, and he belongs to black community. His writing mainly deals with black people's condition in that society. त्या कृष्णवर्णीय लोकांची असणारी परिस्थिती. So he was mainly writing about that thing. This novel is autobiographical. हे थोडक्यात पॉइंट्स लक्षात ठेवा. ही नॉवेल कशी आहे, ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल, आत्मचरित्रपर आहे. थोडक्यात, he was an engineer. His educated black person, engineer, but couldn't get job anywhere. पण नोकरी कुठेच मिळत नव्हती. So he decided to work in a school. So he joins Grinslade School. The school मध्ये as a teacher, he was working as a teacher. But how was the school? It was full of troublesome students. The students were rejected from other schools and they entered in this school. सगळीकडून बाहेर काढलेली मुले या शाळेत एकत्र आलेली होती. So imagine a situation when the class is full of troublesome students. How can a teacher teach? ते शिक्षकाला शिकवणं तर लांब. His whole energy will go to make them quiet. त्यांना शांत बसवण्यातच एनर्जी जाईल, शिकवणं लांबच होईल. तुम्हाला अनुभव असेल कदाचित. Okay, so now, but later on he understood the psychology of the students and he tries to convert them or change them into good persons or good human beings, and in the end he was successful in making this, and he was accepted by the students. Later in detail we will see all these things. Now we will study about characters. As you all know that whenever we study a novel or drama, character is the most important part. Character म्हणजेच आपण त्याला पात्र म्हणतो मराठीत. And as you have studied, characters are of two types. दोन प्रकारचे character असतात, major character and minor characters. Okay, so major characters. Now you will see about the major characters in the novel. Ricky Brathwaite, that is the author or the writer. Ricky Brathwaite, the narrator. He is narrating the story. आणि अजून काय लक्षात ठेवू शकता तुम्ही? He is the teacher working at Greenslead School. Gillian Blancard, Mrs. Dale Evans, Denham, the student in the class, Pamela Dan, and Mr. Florian, the headmaster. You will come to know about all these characters throughout the novel, but just remember, 6 major characters are there. हे 6 characters कसे आहेत? Main characters. You watch films and you all know that in films there are so many characters, but very few characters are major or main characters, and other characters are minor characters like hero, heroine, actor or actress. They are main characters, and supporting characters are called as minor characters. तसेच ह्या नॉवेल मध्ये 6 मेजर कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत. रिकी ब्रॅथवेट, द नॅरेटर टीचर, गिलियन ब्लँकार्ड वर्किंग विथ Mrs. Dale Evans, Denham, the student, Pamela Dare, and Mr. Florian, the headmaster of the school. These are main characters. And there are so many minor characters. You will see the list. Bob Belmont, Jacqueline Blender, Clinty, Selma Drew, Hackman, Moira Joseph, Palmer, Euphema Phillips, Jane Purcell, Lawrence Seals, Jess Belmont, Buckley, Josie Dodds, Patrick Fonman, Titch Jackson, Monica Page, Barbara Peck, Potter, Sapiano, and Theo Watson. These are all our minor characters, and these are the students from his class. He was teaching to a particular class, and these are the students from his class. So these are minor characters. You can see these characters at the end of page number 178. Okay, understood? Major and minor characters. Right now just take into consideration the names. Later on we have all these things in details. आपण जसं पुढे जाणार नॉवेल मध्ये तशा सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला डिटेल्स मध्ये मिळणार आहेत. ओके, कॅरेक्टर्स लक्षात आले? Now we'll start about the summary of the novel. Okay, summary. थोडक्यात, how is the novel? Because I want to tell you that you don't have the full novel, or you will wonder how this novel will be there in 12th standard course book. हे पूर्ण नॉवेल कोर्स बुक मध्ये असू शकते का? If we decided to study the full novel, 1 year will not be enough. एक वर्ष पण पुरणार नाही. So you have only chapter number 17. आपल्याला इथं किती कोणता आहे? फक्त नॉवेल मधला चॅप्टर नंबर 17. But before studying the chapter number 17, you must know about the summary of the novel. How is the novel? Okay, so we'll start with the summary of the novel, and right now from this diagram I want to tell you about the novel step by step. First of all, worked as an engineer in an oil refinery and in Royal British Air Force. Here you will have reference why he is called as British American novelist. First of all, he was engineer, working as an engineer in an oil refinery. पहिल्यांदा इंजिनियर म्हणून कुठे काम करत होते? ऑइल रिफायनरी, ऑइल कंपनी. And in Royal British Air Force, बघा डिप्लोमॅट का म्हणलेलं होतं? He was working in Royal British Air Force. ब्रिटिश गव्हर्नमेंटच्या एअर फोर्स मध्ये सुद्धा ही वॉज वर्किंग ॲज अन ऑफिसर. किती मोठे पर्सन आहे बाबा. ही वॉज अ ग्रेट पर्सन. ऑइल रिफायनरी अँड रॉयल ब्रिटिश एअर फोर्स. बट इट्स अ पिरियड ऑफ रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय दिस इज रिलेटेड विथ 1950s और 1960s इन इंग्लंड. त्यावेळी इंग्लंड मधली परिस्थिती कोणती होती? रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, वंशभेद, वर्णभेद, ब्लॅक वर्सेस व्हाईट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कलर, ब्लॅक कलर, he left this job and started searching for a job, but he was not able to get a job. So got a job as a teacher. म्हणून कुठे जॉब मिळाला? ॲज अ टीचर ॲट ग्रीन स्लेट स्कूल. कुठे जॉब मिळाला? ग्रीन स्लेट स्कूलमध्ये. Writer finds the students to be disrespectful, but as you all know that when we join a new job, we are very hopeful about the job. आपण एखादा जॉब ज्यावेळी जॉईन करतो, तुम्हाला पण in future you will understand this thing. तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल फ्युचर मध्ये. We are very hopeful. आपल्याला सगळ्यात मोठं टेन्शन असतं, how will be the people, how will be the atmosphere, how I can work, I will do this thing, I will do that thing. मी हे करेन ते करेन, पण आपल्याला तिथली परिस्थिती माहिती नसते. म्हणून यांना काय दिसलं? Finds the students to be disrespectful, but the students कसे होते? Disrespectful. They were not respecting the teacher, they were not respecting their family members also. Ill-mannered, they were mannerless. त्यांना कसं वागावं ते पद्धत नव्हती. And mischievous म्हणजे खोडकर, त्रासदायक. So these students were disrespectful. He handles the students in a different way and changes his teaching tactics. In the beginning, सुरुवातीला he started to be angry with them. He started to punish them. सुरुवातीला त्यांना पनिश करायला सुरुवात केली, रागवली, शिक्षा केली. Because boys and girls both were mischievous in that class. Boys and girls both were mischievous. So he tries to put his personality on them, but later he understood that these students are different from other students. Yes, students, these are totally different from other students. So he decides to change his tactic. म्हणून त्याने काय केलं? आपली टेक्निक बदलायचा प्रयत्न केला. He handles the students in a different way and changes his teaching tactics. म्हणून त्याने आपल्या स्वतःच्याच टॅक्टिक्स काय केल्या? चेंज केले. त्यातली एक टॅक्टिक इथे दिली आहे, every girl to be called as miss. So at first, whether the students were treating him disrespectfully, he started to behave with them respectfully. कधी कधी असा फरक पडतो का? एखाद्या आपल्याशी जर रिस्पेक्टफुली वागत नसला, पण आपण त्याच्याशी जर 2-3 वेळा रिस्पेक्टफुली वागलं, तर he will be ashamed of himself. त्याला स्वतःचीच लाज वाटते आणि तो आपल्याशी रिस्पेक्टफुली वागायचा प्रयत्न करतो. So what first change he has done? He's every girl to be called as miss. So he was treating all the girls in the class with respect. Though these girls were not treating him with respect, he was treating them, he was calling them as miss. And he should be called him sir. And he puts a condition in front that you must call me sir. And here you will have the reference of our title, to serve with love. Okay. Takes the students to the field trip. What he has done? He gained the confidence of the students. Slowly, he gained the confidence of the students. हळूहळू त्यांचा कॉन्फिडन्स त्याने मिळवला. आणि काय केलं? Takes the students to the field trips. एकदा त्यांना काय केलं? फील्ड ट्रिप्सला घेऊन गेलेला होता. To increase the class cultural exposure. त्यांचं थोडंसं सांस्कृतिक एक्सपोजर मिळण्यासाठी he takes them on a field trips and excursion to museums and theaters. त्यांना कुठे कुठे विजिटला नेलं? म्युझियम्स अँड थिएटर्स. To everyone's surprise, many of the students have never been. आणि यातले बरेच स्टुडंट्स असे होते, they were ill-mannered students, they were mischievous students, they have not gone to museum or theater. ही मुलं कधीच म्युझियम किंवा थिएटर पाहायला गेलेली नव्हती. And a white female teacher, Gillian Blanchard, मगाशी रेफरन्स आलेला होता बघा, मेन कॅरेक्टर. She was a white female teacher. She was working in the same school, but she belongs to white community. Accompanies the class on these excursions. आणि E.R. Braithwaite बरोबर she was also with them. And slowly the relationship was developing. Although his students frequently disappoint and hurt him, बऱ्याच वेळा ही मुलं काय करायची? He was disappoint him and hurt him, त्याला दुखवायची. He learns to forgive them, but he has one quality. Like Shakespeare had said, to err is human, to forgive is divine. की चुकणं, to err means चुकणं, is human. चुकणं माणसाचा गुणधर्म आहे, but to forgive is divine. क्षमा करणं हा कोणाचा गुणधर्म आहे? परमेश्वराचा. So that most of the times you will see that your parents also forgive you. तुम्ही किती चुका केल्या तरी आई वडील आपल्याला काय करतात? Forgive, क्षमा करतात, because they are like God for us. So he tries to forgive them, and in the end transform the students They become more matured, empathetic and knowledgeable, and he transform his students. Transform means change. Change his students. They become more matured. ही मुलं हळूहळू कशी झाली? मॅच्युअर झाली. They become more matured, empathetic and knowledgeable. आणि ती बरीच काय झाली त्यांच्यामध्ये? knowledgeable. नॉलेज भरपूर त्यांना काय मिळालं त्यामधून? ज्ञान मिळालं. They become more knowledgeable. Okay. Another facet of the story which is greatly affect his narrative lies is the heavy history of colonialism. याचा एक अजून एक भाग आहे बघा. colonialism ऐकलं वर्ड तुम्ही? colonialism चा अर्थ आहे वसाहतवाद. colonies, as you all know that America is a colony. अमेरिकेला नाव पण काय बघा? युनायटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. USA, युनायटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. United, many states colonies are united. Its dark consequences, mental and physical trauma that increases Braithwaite's hatred and wrath for British. आणि हा जो Braithwaite होता, E.R. Braithwaite, he has worked for British government. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की त्याने ब्रिटिश गव्हर्नमेंट साठी काय केलेलं होतं? काम केलेलं होतं. बट अँड ही वॉज कन्सिडरिंग हिमसेल्फ ॲज अ ब्रिटिश. तो स्वतःला काय समजत होता? ब्रिटिश. बट ब्रिटिश पीपल वेर नॉट कन्सिडरिंग हिम ॲज ब्रिटिश. पण ते जे ब्रिटिश लोक होते इंग्लंड मधले व्हाईट पीपल, दे आर नॉट कन्सिडरिंग हिम ॲज ब्रिटिश. पण ते त्याला आपल्यातला मानत नव्हते. म्हणून हळूहळू त्याच्या मनात काय होत होतं? हेट्रेड अँड रॅथ फॉर ब्रिटिश. ब्रिटिश लोकांबद्दल तिरस्कार निर्माण होतं. ही कॉन्स्टंटली फील द प्रेजुडिशियल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ कोलोनियलिझम. प्रेजुडिशियल, प्रेजुडाइस म्हणजे पूर्वग्रह, ऑफ कोलोनियलिझम while living in England. And Braithwaite is surprised and shocked by the conditions in which these students live and also the physical trauma of the war that has been seen throughout his teaching environment. आणि नुकतंच काय होऊन गेलं होतं? वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकंड. ह्याचा पण इम्पॅक्ट आहे, हे पण लक्षात ठेवा की वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकंड, आफ्टर इफेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकंड. Now our next topic is related with the theme of the novel. As we all know, each literary part, प्रत्येक लिटररी पार्टला काय असते? एक थीम असते. So this novel has 3 themes. आपण फक्त एवढा 3 themes कोणते ते पाहू आणि we'll stop. First theme is students and teacher relationship. Students and teacher या दोघांमधली असणारी रिलेशनशिप. प्रेजुडाइस, आताच वर्ड गेला बघा. प्रेजुडाइस अर्थ पूर्वग्रह. प्रेजुडाइस म्हणजे काय? पूर्वग्रह. एखाद्या व्यक्तीबद्दल मनात आपल्या आधीच पूर्वग्रह असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, यू आर न्यू इन दिस, सपोज इमॅजिन अ कंडिशन इन 11th standard. You have not attended any lecture of any teacher and you are new into the school, or sorry, college. And if a person or your friend who is in 12th standard already, if he tell you that you will not understand any teaching of this teacher. For example, I will take myself. की जे इंग्लिशचे सर आहेत ना सर, यांचं शिकवणं तुला अजिबात समजणार नाही, काहीच शिकवलेलं समजत नाही. दिस इज युअर प्रेजुडाइस. हा तुम्ही माझं लेक्चर अटेंड केलेलं नाहीये, पण आधीच तुमच्या मनात पूर्वग्रह काय की मला यांनी शिकवलेलं कळणार नाही. अँड आय कम टू द क्लास, आय स्टार्टेड माय टीचिंग, आय एम टीचिंग फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट. मी किती मनापासून शिकवलं तरी तुमच्या मनात आधीच प्रेजुडाइस काय की यांनी शिकवलेलं मला कळणार नाही. याला म्हणतात प्रेजुडाइस, पूर्वग्रह. इथं ब्रिटिश लोकांच्या मनात प्रेजुडाइस होता. ब्लॅक पीपल बद्दल काय होता? पूर्वग्रह होता. प्रेजुडाइस, पूर्वग्रह दूषित. अँड लास्ट वन इज रेसिझम. रेसिझम म्हणजे वंशभेद. ठीक आहे? अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन टू दिस नॉवेल. आज आपण काय काय बघितलं? दिस नॉवेल टू सर्व विथ लव, रिटन बाय E.R. Braithwaite, a black person. Okay, engineer, but working as a teacher because of his economic conditions and racial conditions. But what is the condition? The students were not supporting him, they were disrespecting him, bullying him. But slowly he changes his tactics, his ideas, and converts the students into good students. Okay? Now in tomorrow's lecture, we'll start with the theme of the novel, and after that we'll go for the synopsis and actual novel. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll meet.